In Crime Beat, Lyon County deputies arrested a man for allegedly firing an AR-15 rifle near his home after a fight with his roommate. Deputies went to the home near Dayton Valley Road around 9 p.m. yesterday on the report of a fight. They say they found the victim, who had been strangled but survived. And deputies say the suspect left the home with a rifle and was firing it into the night. When he later returned, deputies ordered him to drop the gun. They say he did. Michael Parker is still facing multiple charges, though, including battery and assault with a deadly weapon.